What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 per day watching Netflix programs. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns on what I'm talking about today in this video. And please don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Now, I wanted to hit it by the end of this month. We're in July. I want to hit it by July 31st. It's like July 25th or 26th now. We might not get there, but guys, if you keep sharing and keep hitting the like button on all my videos, maybe we can get there. So let's try to share this everywhere, guys, because I'm ready to give away this money because I want to help all you guys. I know everybody needs money out there, and this is a good way for you guys can help me, and in return I'm going to help you by sharing this video and hitting that like button for me. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end because you need to know every step you need to take if you want to earn $500 per day watching Netflix programs. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Dollar Sprout. Now, this is not the website you're going to use to make money on Netflix, but they have an article on here that talks about the job that Netflix is offering. They also have other jobs and other passive income jobs on here too that they tell you about. Now, so it says here how to work as a Netflix tagger plus hacks to make extra money watching videos. So you're going to scroll down here. Let's just see what a tagger is. So a Netflix tagger is someone who watches programs on Netflix and labels or tags them with specific keywords to help viewers find what they're looking for. So that's all you're going to be doing is just tagging after you watch the Netflix program. Now, these labels help people find exactly the type of show or movie they're looking for. It's part of the reason Netflix is so good at keeping your attention. So this is how they keep your attention, guys, by using these taggers to tag the programs and the movies so you guys can keep watching Netflix all day and all night. Now you can be one that's watching and getting paid for watching. Now, what I'm going to do is show you where you need to go to look for this tagger position. Okay, I'm at Netflix jobs, you just go to jobs.netflix.com and go right here and type in tagger. Now, unfortunately, tagger is not available right now, but I just want to go ahead and show you this is where you go to look for this position. Now, every week they pop up on here in different cities and around the country, and you have to get on here real quick. You need to check every day to see if they have any positions available. So now, since you're going to have to wait on a tagger position to be available, I'm going to show you where you can go and start making some money watching videos right now until you get a job as a tagger at Netflix. So let me go ahead and go there right now. Okay, I'm at swagbucks.com. Now, you may have heard this website before, and I have talked about it in the past, but I just wanted to bring this up because this is an excellent website to make some quick extra money just watching some videos and doing a lot of other things. Okay, so once you come here, it's going to be free to sign up. And once you sign up, they're going to send you an email so you can go into your account. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and go into my account. I'm going to show you how the whole thing works. So let me go ahead and log in my account right now. Okay, I'm in my account. As you can see, they have a lot going on here. So as we look over here, we have answer. So right here, you can make some money with surveys. So they have a lot of surveys in my account available. And when you get your account open, they're going to have a lot of surveys that you can do too. But we didn't come over here for surveys. We came over here to watch videos. So let me show you where that is. Okay, you're going to click over here where it says watch. And as you can see, it's going to take you here. And these are a lot of videos. And let's just go ahead and click on one right now. Okay. This is going to pop up right here. So it's kind of like an ad. So you're going to earn some Swagbucks every time you look at this ad. And then you want to click here. And it's going to actually take you to the website. So it just takes you to a website and you're going to earn those Swagbucks. So let's just go back here. And you have to stay on here for at least 15 seconds to 20 seconds. And you're going to earn that. So let's go back. Now I'm back at my account. So that's how that works. And as you can see, they have a lot of things on here that you can do to earn money, not just watching videos. But if you just want to watch videos, you can come here and just watch videos, earn Swagbucks, and you'll be able to trade those Swagbucks in. Now let's go down here and see what you can redeem those Swagbucks for. So you can redeem those Swagbucks for iTunes, Visa gift cards, rewards cards, and Amazon, and of course, PayPal Cash. Now you have to get 1,000 Swagbucks to get $10 cash. And it should be easy because with the videos, they have 1-2 Swagbucks you're going to be earning, and you only take 10-15 seconds for each video, and you're going to get a lot of videos every day to watch. So that's how this works. I'm not going to go through all this because we just came here to see about how to watch videos and make money. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for Swagbucks, go to swagbucks.com, and remember to always check Netflix jobs to see if they have a tagger available. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And help me to get like 100 likes. Just 100 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's very, very important to follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me, and we're going to keep going, family. Let's go. Road to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and beyond. So let's go, guys. Let's do this. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.